I would hire someone who's an entrepreneur because generally we're looking for someone who is going to be a self-starter, that is ambitious and isn't looking to be one facet of the business, that really wants to understand all of it and wants to be a contributor to the growth and success of that business. And so generally what we found is someone who is coming to do just a specific role generally isn't taking initiative to go above and beyond that kind of role, whereas someone who has a really strong entrepreneurship mindset is someone who wants to understand, again, all areas of the business and how to be a real contributing part of it. Generally in hiring and someone who's really entrepreneurial focused is because we need someone who's a self-starter. Someone that is going to be running with a kind of a broader scope of responsibilities that we don't have time to manage point in and point out. So it's someone that you can just kind of point in a general direction and you know that they have, again, a broad set of skill sets that might range from marketing to sales to finance and developing business cases, that they're not going to be, again, need to be pushed every time, that they're going to report back to you with all the stuff that they've achieved. And really it's someone who is an entrepreneur at heart, has those kind of skill sets and qualities.